Hey kiddos, our focus for today is 3-3 estimating products in our Envision, topic 3, lesson 3. And remember, this word products is going to be the answer of a multiplication problem. And so I'm going to show you how to estimate and to do some mental math. And we're also going to be using some rounding in this to make sure we have the correct answer. So the first question we have is 42 times 5 times 90. Now I'm going to round, and you're always going to round the largest number. So we're going to round that 2. Sorry, we're round that 4. So the 2 is going to tell the 4 to stay the same. Make the rest zeros. So that's our new problem. Now for this one, you've got to find compatible numbers that kind of work so you can manipulate them in your head. But what's 4 times 5? 4 times 5 is 20. Remember this 0 right here. Don't leave it out. Just, you got to bring it on down, right? So 4 times 5 is 20, and then we've got 1 0. All right, now we're done with this, and we're done with this, but we still have this 90 left over. All right, and what's 2 times 9? 2 times 9 is 18, and then you've got 1, 2, 3 zeros left over. So a good estimation for 42 times 5, and when you do estimation, it's a equal mark with a squiggly over top. That shows you estimation is 18,000. All right, number 2. Let's scroll on down. Is 27 times 98 times 4. All right, so for this one, we're also going to round these numbers as well. You're always going to round to that largest number there. So 27 is going to be 30. 98 is going to be 100. And when I have numbers that are small like that, I tend to leave them alone. Because if you change this number 4 to a 10 or change this number 4 to a 5, it really changes the number. So I'm leaving it alone. Because I can, in my head, say this. I can say 3 times 1 times 4. Well, 3 times 1 is what? 3. And 3 times 4 is 12. So that's the number I can manipulate in my head. And then I've got 3 zeros left over. 27 times 98 times 4 is about 12,000. And here's my about sign. 12,000. All right, so let's go on to the next one. Number 3. If I had 48 times 19, what could I estimate that to? Remember, I was going to go with that biggest number. So our 8 is going to tell our 4 to go up to 50. And our 9 is going to tell our 1 to go up to 20. And what's 5 times 2? Well, 5 times 2 is 10. And then we've got 2 zeros left over. So 48 times 19 is about 1,000. Our last one is number 4. 96 times 17. We're always going to round to that largest number. The 6 is going to tell the 9 to go up to 100. The 7 is going to tell the 1 to go up to 20. What's 1 times 2? That is 2. And then you've got 3 zeros left over. 2,000. All right, guys. So that will be it for our 3-3 estimating products. Make sure that you are solving the problems in the book. You are completing your Zern lessons, Moby Max, and you're turning in all your work. If you have any questions, please let me know, but I'll see you on the Google Meets at 9 a.m.